Now, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening all around the world. My name is Maurice Safa, popularly known as Tolo Gundo Sagwa. Dana the APC election fraud alarm again. APC election fraud alarm. This one here so, now for tell una about wetin APC they try for do with China against we people them. Wetin Koroma don they arrange with China against we country in interest. China and Koroma, then they work together for bring a dictatorship na salute if they win this election here so. Now that arrangement they on now between Koroma and the Chinese people them. If you don't hear about how even the president of China, Xi Jinping, don't make sure for say in people them elect him as president for life. Now that Koroma self want. All this time here so, now that make he don't try for do everything possible for make it directly in control, for make him be president, continue for be president, but you know who the people that don't go against him. The bottom line is Koroma want for be president for life. He want for bring Salon a dictatorship, make Salon a dictatorship country, a one-party state, just like China. Who say now only the Chinese Communist Party day. Inside a Salon, only the APC party go there. Because we already don't experience that under Shaka Stephen, where then we again get the APC party as the only party in the whole country. Una listen, and this is not a joke. If una not vote against APC, if APC can have power, I go tell una for say another 5 to 10 years from now, una go they call China man then, yes sir, now inside una own country. Because una know what thing, now just 7 million Salon people we day. Okay? China, then at 1.4 billion. 1.4 billion. If they want to pick up just 20 million send na Salon, that's it. They go down pass we 2-3 term, and once they become citizens, then that's it. They go control we. Everything now we una go for do legally and politically, now then go they in charge. Una they see, even today, when they come with their businesses, they don't even allow for make with people they work pandemic businesses. Pass a few number the positions they sort of way they don't want. That then they put we own people, Salon people there. But when they come with their business, we all don't see, then they bring their own people there. Then they bring their own. So that we own people that they not go learn within the business day for. So that if they decide for go back home, they go and we not go down benefit by any way, shape or form from their business. Now that make them they do that for. That's number one. Number two, the fact that when they come for hire we own people then, you know for say, now rip off that one day. That means to say that they can't take with resources, but they don't want let we own people they benefit from it through employment. Now that make Salon get the highest unemployment in the African continent today, and one of the highest in the whole world. Because even the businesses where Koroma don't make with the Chinese, they don't come and bring them. They all they bring their people them. Now that Koroma don't they make arrangement with the Chinese them for make them come to this country. Because when they come, then they put money in their pocket, then they work with Koroma. And Koroma want for be a dictator. China na a communist country. They don't get a permanent dictator. So Koroma, they bring the Chinaman then out to we for council up and tap we. So that when they come, they become citizens, now for and then they vote. I know say would have been see recently that bold Chinaman where they work out with APC, where they interfere with elections I don't know whether it don't turn a citizen for make it get that mind day for the go around with APC. But when I see them on social media, then they interfere with we elections. Imagine now if you get plenty of them one day. Imagine now if they want them plenty pass we Salone people them. Then go just do what they want with we. Then go do what they want with we. Now that Koroma they try for make so that Koroma go allow the Chinaman them for the control we, for the suppress we, and then in the day on top of all man, they benefit from them. Alright? So APC, this not all APC party business self, not all SLPP party business, not all NGC party business. Una watch, una watch, una grab, una think, but una country. If una not, if una elect APC, Koroma, they make arrangement for the Chinese there for make them take control of that country there. Now, typical example, the toll road. That road they been done there. Now with people their money maker. In fact, it been done there. Waiting Koroma do, he bring Chinaman there, they put toll panel, and now then they charge all Salone people then for drive and we own road where we gonna be with money where they be maker with. Then just come for put toll road there. When Koroma be ready for do that, he tell the country, he give any kind of a referendum to the country for, so that the people then go decide. This now a foreign people where Koroma don't bring, then can't take over we own property. Then they charge we now for make we drive and we own road. Koroma do this by himself in a dictatorship way. This man there, so all he want na dictatorship. We all don't see. The man don't fire the vice president the way he want, dictatorially. The man don't anything way he want, he just they do what he want. He don't take over APC party, the APC not get control over him again. So this man na a dictator. We are not joke. When they vote for APC, when they vote for make Salone become a slave to China. Now that when they vote for. We are not vote for APC. Because when they vote for sell that country day. When they vote for sell with lands. When they vote for sell with businesses. When they vote for sell we picking them rights. We future rights. Look, they picking them. China, they buy a school. Alright? Try it. Where we picking them, they attend. What did they do? They go broke down the school, they occupy the buildings, they broke and down, and they drive the picking them. Look that. This that a few of them no more right now when they're in the country. They still do that. Why? Because of Koroma in authority. Because Koroma they work with them. You will see the government, Koroma, APC government do anything but they picking them. No. Take today, nothing where Koroma government done for say they intervene into the process for try for find solution. Koroma don't care because it look like say they put Chinaman they will buy that school day. Who knows? So then they don't put money in a Koroma in pocket already. Now that number Koroma busy for. So Koroma day for sell that country day. Koroma day for sell una lands. Koroma day for sell una properties. Koroma day for sell una rights as Salone people. Alright? If they bring Chinaman there for can sit up and tap una for suppress una and this and that. Now that we don't hear it. Now look the airport. Why they get Koroma get for move a whole new airport from Longe to Wusa within my 91? Why we get for go into a 300 to 400 million $1 million debt when we get Longe when I for just expand them. Even Longe now for modernize them, not to for expand them. Because it not be for say we get too much airport traffic for say we go need for make we expand them. No, now for just modernize the airport. And that airport for modernize them, it not go take $350 to $400 million where Koroma they borrow from the Chinese. So we go debt pan debt to the Chinese. Now that Koroma they do because it get in own under the table for benefit in people them, for benefit in your own family, for benefit in sycophants them, the one that where they lap dog with them and this and that. While the rest of Salone they remain with the debt to the Chinese. Now that Kuruma don't do. We don't see the Ebola hospital where they began building a saloon during the Ebola crisis. Why they can't build that one? They treat the people them, but what will happen? They stay. All right. Pass a few weeks, go back. All right. So now the thing this way, Kuruma they sell that country they piece by piece. Kuruma they sell we land piece by piece. Okay. The new building, the APC they call or Chinaman they call Friendship Building. The building where they don't build for APC headquarters. Why they not build for other country? Other party them. Why they not even equally give the same money to other party them? Why is it that Chinaman they can now with country, then they select whether they build for, then they select whether they improve their life and not the whole country. The whole country at large. Why they not take that money they and just give to the government? Let the government use it for the people. Instead they take up specifically they bill them for APC because Kuruma and the APC they sell with country to them. Kuruma and APC they sell everything, okay, for make Chinaman they carry. China, they say that they do what you call predatory lending. When that means to say that they lend money to you very, very expensively, so you go end up for pay too much interest in the end. Now that China they do. Then they make things easy for make you get the money, but you be a slave, you remain in debt to them forever. So many people then would not vote for APC. You vote for APC, you they vote for make we lost we land. For that salon people they lost their land. You vote for APC, you they make for make salon people their property then make Chinaman then buy them. You vote for APC, you they vote for make we don't go inside there. Especially for that airport. When I been see part the debate, most of the presidential candidates they been there against that airport business. But APC and Kuruma then they still force that idea there. Then still they make sure for say we the salon people then go there in debt forever to APC. So now that things then they wait for make and they ask all man. We all, if you not salon people now you heart. If you it no matter now whether person na Mende, Kisi, Timini, Creole, it no matter. Now we land, they go so slowly. Now we land, Kuruma they sell slowly. Now we write the birthright. Now Kuruma they sell slowly. So it no matter which tribe you be, because sooner or later you go see also Chinaman they can na Kwenadugu. They tell when I say we don't buy this land. When I go see also Chinaman they can to Bombali, Tonkolili, Cambia, Port Loko. Then they can for buy before you loan. They say we don't buy the property then, because then they do the transactions there with their minister then with the APC minister then where they sell the country for their own personal property. For your personal business. So that make una get for vote for SLPP. If you not vote for SLPP, una they vote for sell this country also. That one day in another 5 to 20 years, you go there. Una when the young one then. I know say I guess more age now, but una be the young one then. Another 15 to 20 years, una go say somebody been there. We be called Maurice Safar. We tell we but waiting the Chinese they go do to we na we own country. So una do ya, una vote for SLPP, una dump APC. APC not good for we. APC right now, I'm not gonna say that it's good for only for Kuruma. Sorry for APC. Now Kuruma no more APC good for that. That are the bad APC where you don't take over from the people them. Do ya, una vote SLPP.